one-woman music machine who mesmerised the judges and the audience at her audition with an original number. But can our Queen of the Loops do it again tonight? Here's Mihirangi.
I do a loop show.
It's one of the best things I've ever seen, hands down.
I cannot wait to see it again.
Absolute no-brainer. It's a yes, I've got to see you again. Got it.
After the audition, I completely felt elevated. I felt amazing. It was just such an awesome buzz. I started looping around about 10 years ago, and I had a guitarist who brought a loop pedal to a concert one day, borrowed it, and haven't turned back since. I really want my music, my songs to be heard here in Aotearoa. That's a big dream for me. I really like to perform to an audience for the way that they are. I just hope that they're in a good mood and that the judges are in a good mood and that everything goes well. Please.
Performing a song about civil rights that she hopes will empower us all, make way for Mihirangi.
Are calling us to war, knowing lots of wrongs to make it right. Where should I be when they tell me to fight? Arming on the world with the guns and tanks, bound for the Pentagon, money for the banks, trying to make an enemy of you and me. It's enemy mentality, but you know that I'm a world citizen. I'm a world citizen. World citizen. I'm a world citizen.
Operation Infinite Injustice, to revive the world into them and us. Operation Infinite Injustice, to revive the world into them and us.
World citizen, world citizen, world citizen, world citizen,
Thank you.
Mihirangi, who needs a band when you've got Mihirangi in the house? Seriously, let's go to the judges and see if you impressed them. Let's start with you, Ali. What'd you think?
My out-and-out favourite of this whole competition, Mihirangi. She's absolutely brilliant. You belong on stage because you're that good, trust me. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Jason, what'd you think?
It's almost not what did I think, but what was I feeling? I feel connected when you perform. Something happens. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why do you perform? Why do you sing?
To heal myself, to heal others, and to inspire. It's the place where I can be me.
Tino Pai, it's awesome. You know, the reason I ask that, because I mean what I say. There's some kind of transformative shifting thing going on. And when you perform, I think we all felt that, don't we? Do we feel that? It just exudes aroha, attitude of gratitude from me. Love it.
Lots of love in the room at the moment. Rachel, were you feeling the love for that one?
Oh my God, you are just, you're unique, you're hot, you're sexy. You put you into this amazing trance and you see this whole thing just form from the beginning to the end. And whoever gets to see that with music, and I just think it's just exactly what this is about, because you know what, we've seen other things before, but we have not seen something like this.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Rachel. Awesome. Thank you.
Well, there you have it, New Zealand. If you want to hear more of Mihirangi's music on our grand final stage, then you need to text. Text the Mihirangi to 8981, or you can go onto our New Zealand's Got Talent app for iPhone. The votes cost up to 99 cents each, and the lines are open right now until midday Tuesday. Everybody, let's hear it one more time for Mihirangi.
I feel elevated. I feel blessed. I feel privileged, and it was amazing. It was absolutely